Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about frequently using Linux command. Before that, I am making lot of videos related to cloud and DevOps. I hope these videos are helpful. If you find these videos are helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. It will be encourage me to make lot of videos. Let's dive into today topic. So I'm making the video related to frequently using Linux commands. So which we are using day to day. So I have already created the EC2 server and I logged into that. For the demo purpose, I am using this server. You can use with your laptop or else you can go for the EC2 server. Here I am using the PowerShell. I already logged in this server. So let's show you the first comment. I'm sure. So who am I? So you can see who is the user. If you are into multiple user, if you are into multiple, you are using with that. You can see currently which you are user you are with that using that who am I comment. Next, if you want to switch into root user, I'm currently into EC2 hyphen user. So I want to switch into the root user. You can use sudo hyphen I. And now I turned into the root user. You can see that I'm into root user. And you want to see how many users are with this. So you can see using cat command basically to view the users. So for that etc underscore pass, you can see that these are the users currently with my this server. You can see ec2 hyphen user John, which I have created one of the user, and these are the default users which is having with this server. And this can be using comment which is cat underscore etc password. So this is the comment you have to see, and you want to clear the screen. For that you need to use command called clear, clear, so that all comments will get be cleared, so you can't see what is in the upper side. And next we are going to see the command called touch command. To create a file you have to use command called touch. I'm creating first.txt. There is a file here I'm creating. So before that I want to show you ls command. Ls, which is basically show you to list what are in this particular directory. So you can do that. Here the comment is after listing that nothing is showing, it means that there is no files in this current path. To see the current path you can use pwd, which is means present working directory. So here you can see that I'm currently under the directory called under root. This is my current directory. And now I'm going to exit from the user. For that I will use command exist, exist. So now I'm giving again list command. Here nothing is there. I'm going to create a file. So using touch command, touch, then you can give the file name whatever, and whatever extension you want to give, you can give. It can be txt, yaml, whatever you want to give you can give. Now I'm simply creating one text file. So here txt, again I'm listing, so you can see that it is showing the my file. Now I'm going to see this file as more detail, ls-a. Once I give, it is showing what are the hidden files. With all files, it is going to show you ls-a with all files, including hidden. If it is in front of the file is mentioned something dot, it is something called hidden file. So we have the Windows feature, right? Same it we have in the Linux. Next, ls-la. You can see that more detailed, and this is going to show you something like who is the user, and which group in this file, and what are the permissions we have, and when it got created, and so these are the things it is showing. And again I'm clearing the screen. Now ls hyphen lath. So now it is showing like a something on order. You can see here it is comes from down to up. So it is created before on Jan 28 and it goes down to September 9. Something with order it is going to show you using ls-lath command. So one more command ls-l, so which is going to show you the without hidden files. If you don't want to see all the hidden files, you can use ls-l command. And if you want to see with hidden files as well, you can use ls-a. So these are all the list of few commands you can note down. These are all we are using day to day. And next again I'm clearing the screen. So here I'm going to create one directory. So for that I'm using mkdir. So first underscore directory. Now I'm giving ls. You can see here it is showing something blue color. So which is known as the directory. That's why it is showing on the blue color. So I use mkdir command. This means make directory. This is the abbreviation of this command. So now I want to move into this directory. For that I am using cd command. Cd, and then you have to put that full directory name. First I only typed fir, then I pressed tab, then it's move on to the entire. So you can see here again I'm giving backspace. I only typed 3 letters, then I'm giving tab. It continuously goes to the next one. Now I'm giving pwd. I'm currently under home ec2 user. Under this first directory I'm inside. Now I'm giving list. Here nothing is there inside this directory, nothing is got created. Next I need to come back. For that I'm giving cd and space, give double dot. So it will go one directory before. You can see here before I was in home ec2 first directory. Now I'm in home ec2 hyphen user path. I went one step back. So here I'm giving ls list command. Here I want to here you can see that there is one text file and one directory. I want to copy this text file into this directory. For that I am using copy command. Cp, and which file you want to copy. It can be in any path you can mention. So here what I'm going to do, I'm directly I'm in the current path. So that's why I'm directly using this file name first dot txt. Then which where I need to copy this file. For that I'm going to use this directory. So I'm using first underscore directory. I'm giving tab. Just I'm giving enter. Now it's got copied. We can see by going into this first directory. So you can see here before there is nothing inside this directory. Now we have first.txt. This is how like you can use it. And next again I'm coming back. Now what I'm going to do, now I'm creating one more file called second.txt. You can see by listing this, I want to move this into first directory. Same thing, but here I'm going to use path. If it is this second directory, second.txt in somewhere, even you can do that. In by that way, this is using, you can use this method specifically. To copy this, I'm using cp, and we have to give the entire path. So this is the entire path, which is home. I'm giving tab. Again I'm giving c I'm giving tab. There are two users. I want to use ec2-user. Again, I'm giving double tab. You can see here there are multiple files which is included with hidden file. Here I am giving second.txt. Now I want to move into some other directory. It can be anything, but I'm using for this same reference here. For that also I am using home. Then I want to move on to ec2-user. You can even move into the John user. If it is in the some user, you want to move into John. So here I'm again giving the directory called first underscore directory. Here I want to paste it. I'm giving simply enter. Now you can see inside this first directory we have the second.txt. This is how like you can use with path reference as well. So next we are going to see the command called ownership, how you can change the ownership for these files. So let's see the ownership using ls-la command. So you can see here ec2-user and ec2-user. This is the ownership of the for this first.txt and second.txt. Before that, we need to create some user. Okay, so for that I'm using command sudo add user. You should be the sudo user, then only you can do that. So I'm not into sudo user right now, so that's why I'm using sudo command. If you are into root, you can use directly add user. Sudo add user venkat. Now I added. Now I'm giving some password to that. Sudo password. Then I'm giving some password here. So you can give some password, but I'm not going to create any password here. So you can add the password as well. So here I already added the user. You can see this user by etc underscore password. This is the comment. You can see here I have added the new user. Now I want to change this permission for this file. Ownership I want to change. For that I am using chown, and then the user which I want to add here, which is venkat, and then I'm using the file name called first.txt. So changing the ownership of not permitted, so we have to use sudo before, so that's why it's denying. So we can see now we have changed the permission for this user. If you want to change the group as well, you can use sudo chown. Then again I'm giving venkat colon. Again I'm giving venkat. So this is group. This is the user. I'm giving for second.txt. Now I have changed ls-la. You can see here I have changed the group also for this user. Like this, you can change the ownership for the files. Next, we are going to see one of the command for to change the permission for the files. How we can do that? Using chmod command. For that also we should be the sudo user. So sudo chmod. Here we have the permission for read, write, read, read. So if you're not aware of that, you can go and check what is this. So this is entire for 777. So 4 3 4 2 1. Yeah, 4 2 1. It comes like a 4 2 1. So 4 for read, write for 2, and execute for 1. So here I am giving only for the read permission for the second text. So how I am going to change chmod 400 and then the file name. So now we can see ls-la, it having the only the read permission for this user. This user having the even it is the user and group and others. So the user only having venkat having the only the read permission, others don't have that permission. So even we can see that it is showing permission denied, because we should be switch into Venkat, then only we can able to see, because he only having the read permission. Like that we can change the file permission as well. So next we are going to clear the screen, and I'm giving ls command. So next we are going to see the command called grep. So grep is going to be show you like a filter, how it can be the do the filter. So for here I'm giving so if you want to see some commands, and for example, if you are using kubectl get pods, then it will show hyphen n with some namespace you are giving system. So it will show you the entire parts under the name system. And if you want to see the specific part, then you can give pipe, then give grep, then any name for the any word with that particular part. For example, I'm giving datadog. So it will show you specifically under datadog. Any datadog pods names comes under, then it will show you the filter of that particular pod alone. How it will like, it will like using like a filter. Okay. So see here I'm using ls, it will show you all files. Then ls grep, I'm using first. So it will show you only the first. Okay. So I'm using here filter. Again, I'm giving s. So here you can see ls pipe grep first. Here it is going to show you the two files, because I have two files having first. Okay. So this is like the grep command will work. And let's see find also like a same. If we are under some directories, if we have this many files, inside I want to find some files, I'm giving just first, then it will show you first. How it will work: find no such a file or directory. Okay. So find will work when you want to search something. It basically works search for files in a directory hierarchy. So find first directory. See, inside this a directory, if anything I want to see, then I can use find command. It basically going to see you inside the directory, any hierarchy is there, then you want to see, then we can use this command. These are all the commands. You can use it for the files. And next one more command which is called for the VA editor command. So there are two commands we can say. One is nano, another one is VA command. Here I am using the VI command. VI command to see this. I want to see inside something is there or not. So I am using first.txt. Then it will go to the inside this directory. I will make separate video about the VI editor, how we can use it. We will see separately. Okay, next we are going to see the commands related to processes. What are the commands are there? So first command which is called df. So to see your disk space usage in your server, you can use df command. And if you want to see this in the manual view, you can use df-h. So it will like show you in the to the manual view like a 4 MB 475 MB before showing something like a KB. So now we can able to see how many MBs or like that. So it is easy to understand. For that we are using df. So next I'm clearing the screen. Next we can use du command. Du command, it is used to see the disk usage for your files and directories. So I'm giving du. You can see here these are all the files which we have currently, and you can see using manual view du-h. It is 4.0k space only usage only it is taking. So see your directory and file usage, you can use this du command. And next we are going to see the ps command. Ps basically going to see what are the process which is currently running in your server. Okay, so these are all the bash and wget and ps. These are all the currently running on your server. And if you want to see all the things which is currently running, you can use ps-a. We currently don't have any other, so we have only this. Next, we are going to make some current process, and we are going to kill that process. Let's see, we have like a sleep command, sleep 1000 and so now it is running under process id of 6100. Now I'm giving ps-a. So it currently it is the processing. Currently it is taking the process. So this is one. And now I'm going to kill this process using kill, and then the process ID which is 6100. For that I'm using 6100. Then I killed this. You can see it is got terminated. Now we can see ls-la. Sorry. Now we can see ps-a, it's got terminated. So for like that you can use kill command. And next, you want to see any files inside, if we have any text. For example, I'm going this inside this first.txt, and I'm typing this is first line. Then I'm save this file. Now I want to see without going inside this file anything have. So you can use cat command. First.txt. You can see this is the only line we have. Okay, this is something typo. I did not type it here. So this is our first line. So this is we have. And next you can use man command basically. So if you want to see the commands how we can use and what are the options we have, so you can use man command. So man and any command you want to see, so I'm giving sudo. So see, we can use this many options. This is the manual for the sudo edit and sudo hyphen v, sudo hyphen l. So these are the things we can use to give q. It will go out. See, I'm giving cat, man cat. So these are the options are there. Again I'm giving q. Again I'm giving for man for ls. So these are all the options you can use it for. These are all the manual. You no need to go anywhere. Simply you can go and search with man command, so that you can understand how we can use that. So next we are going to see wget command. If you want to download some files, basically how you can do that using wget command. Now you can see I don't have any other files apart from this t3. Now I'm going to take this URL. Simply see, I want to download, this is the file. You can in Windows, basically we can go here and simply click, it will get download. You can see here it simply get download. But in Linux it won't happen like that. You need to take this URL, and you need to go here and use wget and give this right click, and then you can see now it got downloaded by giving s sample2.txt got downloaded. Like that you need to download whatever you want to download. Okay. And next we are going to see the command tar. So how you can use this tar command? So to use tar, basically we are going to zip the file. So for that we have to use tar hyphen cvf, and then what is the tar name we want to give? I'm giving the name of first.tar. This is the zip file name I'm giving. And which file you want to do the tar? Going to tar this directory called first directory underscore directory. So I'm giving the tar. So now you can see this file got tarred. Now it got tarred. So like that you can do the tar. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to remove this directory. For that I'm using remove. I'm going to remove it forcefully. Without forcefully, if you are doing, it won't get delete. You can see, cannot remove this using remove command. If you want to remove the any files, basically, you want to use remove and then sample the file name. Any file name you can give rm hyphen name, then it will get removed. You can see now it got removed. I want to remove this directory, but this command basically it won't work. You have to do it something called forceful. So rf hyphen rf you have to give, and then first underscore directory. Then now you can see it got removed. Now I already done something tar. I want to untar this. For that I'm going to use tar hyphen xvf and then first dot tar. Now it got untar. You can see now it got unzipped basically. So this is like you can use it. So these are all the commands which we are using day to day in our work. And so if you want to see all this command what we have used today, you can use history command, history. So it will show you the entire command what we have done today. So like that it is going to work. I'm going to paste you in the description with all these commands. You can go through it as well. And I hope this video is helpful. These are all the fundamental basic Linux command. You can use it on day to day in SRE and DevOps work. I hope this video is helpful. If you find this video is helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos, and thanks for watching.